In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excel default save location. By the end, your files will default to saving on your computer instead of the cloud, which can speed up your workflow, help when you're working offline, and give you more control over where your workbooks live. Start in Excel with any workbook open. Look to the very top left corner and click File. This opens Excel's Backstage view, where all the app-level settings and account options live. From here, move to the bottom of the left sidebar and choose Options. That opens the Excel Options window, which is where we'll make a couple of small but important changes. In the Excel Options window, select the Save category on the left. This panel gathers everything related to how Excel saves your work, including cloud behavior and local file defaults, so it's the perfect place to switch your preference. At the top, you'll see a setting related to AutoSave for files stored in online locations like OneDrive or SharePoint. Uncheck AutoSave. Turning this off stops Excel from automatically saving changes to the cloud as you work. That means you decide exactly when a file is saved, and more importantly for our goal, Excel won't push you toward online locations by default. If you frequently co-author or rely on real-time saving in the cloud, you can always come back and re-enable it later. For now, we're focusing on making your computer the default destination. Next, find the option labeled Save to Computer by Default and check it. This tells Excel to prioritize your local drives when you save new files. From now on, when you save, Excel will present your computer locations first, making it faster to pick a familiar folder on your desktop, Documents folder, or another local drive. If you regularly use an external drive or a specific project folder, this change streamlines that routine by keeping you on your device, instead of redirecting you to an online library. These two adjustments work together. By pausing automatic cloud saves and choosing your computer as the default, you're save and save. As experiences will feel local first. You'll still be able to save to OneDrive or SharePoint whenever you want. Those locations remain available. You're simply changing what Excel suggests first. That's it. With File opened, Options selected, Save chosen, AutoSave unchecked, and Save to Computer by default checked, you've shifted Excel to a computer-first saving workflow. Keep in mind that auto-recover and manual saving are separate. It's still a good habit to press Ctrl+S regularly, and if your organization has specific storage policies, make sure your new default aligns with them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother, local-first save experience in Excel.